I got my computer today from my friend. I got a keyboard from Roswell. Pretty standard keyboard.
Zoom in.
108 keys.
Okay.
We'll just put this away. Put this to the side.
Alright.
Right. So next we have the shuttle. This is the case, the motherboard, the power supply, everything is in here. The model number is SA76G2. So this case is for the AMD processor. It's not for Intel. Next, I bought memory and the processor and the hard drive. So let's open that. So I bought all this stuff from New Expo. So what we have is the hard drive, that's from Western Digital. We'll open it. Alright. So it's Western Digital. It's 750 gigabytes. We'll put that to the side. The processor and the RAM. The RAM I bought, it's a 2 gig. It's the 800 megahertz, gigahertz, DDR2. I bought a AMD processor, 3X. The hertz on this is 2.8 gigahertz.